Hello guys, I'm dietitian Joita Kundu. Today I'm going to speak about the benefits of the balanced diet to stay healthy. As we all know, food is the basic necessity of our life. But wrong food practices like overeating, starving yourself, having too low amount of water or excessive eating of junk foods, sugar-added beverages, physical inactivity can mix our body to getting some diseases like diabetes, cardiological diseases, obesities, metabolic disorders, etc. So what are the solution? Solution is simple to following a balanced diet and some healthy practices. But what we are doing in recent days actually is following some fad diets. So what are the fad diets? Fad diets is those diets which gives you a results in shorter period of time, but which is not at all sustainable and which is unhealthy and dangerous for our health in long run. Some of the fad diets like keto diets, paleo diets, low carbohydrate diet or zero carbohydrate diet or detox diets is getting so much of popularity in recent days just because it is a shortcut method. So what we should actually do is to following a balanced diet. How can I make my food into a balanced food? Simple practices like adding 5 food groups in your diet. So these are 5 food groups are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals, and also there must be water and fibers too. So I will elaborate the sources of these 5 food groups. Carbohydrate sources must be the rice or any kind of whole grains like jowar, bajra, ragi, atta, etc. This carbohydrate actually provides our body the energy to doing all the activities throughout the day. And then protein gives us the muscle strength. So protein can be called as bodybuilding food. And sources, Indian sources, I can split into the two portion, like vegetarian sources like any kind of dal, beans, soybeans or milk products, and non-vegetarian sources must be like poultry or egg, and any kind of meats, chickens, muttons, etc. and obviously the fish. And the fat is also required for our body to maintaining some body functions. So fat sources must be like any kind of vegetable oils and nuts and seed oils also. And then the other nutrients like vitamin, minerals, sources are simple, all the vegetables, fruits and color vegetables and leafy vegetables are excellent source of fiber as well as vitamins and minerals. So practicing these 5 food groups into your diet and having good amount of water throughout the day, and obviously be physically active. So these are the 3 simple key we can say. So maintaining this 3 simple key can actually makes our body to stay away from any kind of diseases, and then maintaining the ideal body weight according to our height, and obviously having a good lifestyle. Thank you so much.